Hey, this is Tessa just showing you a couple tips and tricks with the PowerPoint hacks. I'm going to be teaching you how to save your PowerPoint using just a couple keys on your keyboard. I have a Mac, so I'll be first doing Command-Shift-S, and that'll bring up where I want to save it to and the title of my presentation. So I already have it saved to my desktop in iCloud. You can also change it to, let's say, University of Platteville on our OneDrive, and then all you do is click save, and then it'll be there. So what I'll actually do, just to show you, is I'll save it back to my desktop, save, replace, and then if I go to my desktop, it's here in my desktop. And then for Microsoft, same premise. All you would do is hold on Control S and it'll bring up Microsoft Save System, where you'd again type in your title, find your destination to where you want to save it to, and click save. And that's it. Thanks.